Alright, this is another 2025 O-Level A-Math Paper 2. We are looking at question 3. Alright, so the question says that the gradient of a curve at point xy on the curve is given by e to the power of x, holding bracket 3e2x minus e minus to the power of minus 4x, close bracket, minus cosine 2x. The curve passes through the origin. Okay, they want you to express, they want you to express y in terms of x, find y in terms of x, and look at the amount of marks given. 7 marks question. So, if they say the curve passes through the origin, this means that this is 0, 0, and they want you to find y in terms of x. That means they want you to find the equation of the, equation of curve. Okay, so gradient, remember your gradient function in A-Math, we say this is your dy dx. Okay, so what do you know? If we know that your dy dx equals to e to the power of x, 3e2x minus e minus 4x minus cosine 2x, right? Okay, so can we expand this e in like that? We can, right? Okay, I should do it on top. So we can expand it like this, correct? So this will be 3e 3x minus e minus 3x minus cosine 2x. Okay, remember, how do I expand in, right? 3, just leave it, okay? E times e to the power of x times e to the power of 2x is the same as e to the power of x plus 2x. Same thing for e to the power of x times minus e to the power of minus 4x is the same as x plus minus 4x is minus 3x, and minus e will be left out, okay? So now if we know that dy dx equals to 3e 3x minus e minus 3x minus cosine 2x, if you want to find y, what do you need to do? This is where your integration comes into play. So you have to integrate, integrate 3e 3x minus e minus 3x minus cosine 2x dx. Excuse me. So this will be equals to, remember, 3e 3x copy for exponential, you differentiate, divide by the differentiation of the power, minus e minus 3x over minus 3 minus cosine, differentiate cosine, you get sine 2x over 2 plus c. Okay, so this is how you're going to integrate it. And then now they say origin, right? So to find c, origin is 0, 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute your x equals 0, y equals 0, call this equation 1 into equation 1. So 0 equal to 3e 3 bracket 0 over 3 minus e minus 3 bracket 0 over minus 3 minus sine 2 0 over 2 plus c. So I'm gonna press in the calculator. So this is okay, so this is equal to 1, okay, minus e, okay, so this is a plus 1/3, okay, sine 2, sine 0, okay, just 0, minus 0 plus c. Okay, so we know that c will be minus 1 minus 1/3 plus 0. Okay, actually the plus 0 no need to write lah, but just write, okay, which is minus 1 minus 1/3, which is minus 4 over 3. So what can we say? We can say that therefore y equal to 3e 3x. Okay, minus e minus 3x over 3, okay, minus sine 2x over 2 plus minus 4 over 3. Okay, but do you remember that you cannot have or this. Okay, so you must simplify your answer. You can have a negative index form. So this will be your 3 over 3, 3ex over 3. So this will be e power 3x minus 1 over 3, 1 over 3e 3x. Okay, and then we got a minus sine 2x over 2 minus 4 over 3. This is your final answer. Okay, so to check the answer, okay, I will check the answer right now, and if I'm not wrong, I should be correct. And yeah, here we go, correct. Okay, or you can leave your answer in yellow, which I'm going to write it out, or e power 3x minus 1 over 3 e 3x minus half sine 2x minus 1 whole 1 third. Okay, you can leave your answer like that, but for me, I will leave it in the pink expression. Okay, this expression. This is good enough already. I always use good enough already, which means that what? No need to think until so complicated. Just leave like that. Okay, good enough already. The one that's boxed up. Okay, so this is how you are going to express your answer, and I'll take a screenshot of it as always. And thank you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be doing an N level A math paper question. Alright, bye bye.